Rainforests as economic reserves. Rainforests are one of the most complicated environments on Earth. They are recognized worldwide as containing the richest source of plants and animals, and are believed to contain nearly 3/4 of all varieties of life on Earth. This is remarkable because rainforests cover only about 6% of the Earth's land surface. They also provide a rich variety of economic resources that are used all over the world. This presents countries with a serious dilemma. Rainforests are used for a number of economic purposes, ranging from agricultural to urban and industrial use. The dilemma facing many rainforest-rich countries, including Australia, is that as these economic demands grow, the planet's rainforests are placed under increasing threat of destruction. The economic resources provided by the world's rainforests are enormous. Here are just some of the more important ones. First, foods. Nearly 50% of the world's food supplies originate in rainforest areas. Items that we commonly buy from the supermarket, such as bananas, pineapples, mangoes, peanuts, and cashews, all originate in rainforests. Many popular foods like rice and corn also come from the rainforests, as do tea, coffee, cocoa, and sugar. Second, recreation. Rainforests are becoming increasingly popular places for people to visit because they are seen as areas of wilderness and natural beauty. People take part in activities such as fishing, bushwalking, rock climbing, and four-wheel driving. The overuse of rainforests for tourist activities has led governments to pass laws restricting activities in these forests. The Daintree region in northern Queensland is one area where the government has passed laws regulating rainforest activities. Third, medicines and drugs. Many medicines and drugs sold by the local pharmacies come from plants that grow in rainforests. For example, medicine used for travel sickness, headaches, stomach upsets, skin diseases, and leukemia all come from the rainforest. In fact, nearly 40% of all medicines sold in chemists originate from rainforests.
Fourth, industrial and building products. Rainforests provide many products used by the community for urban development. These include timber converted into building material for house framing, furniture, fencing, panel products, and flooring. Rainforests also supply wood chips used in making cardboard, tissue, and the pulp used for some papers. Many industrial products also originate spices, rubber, oils, wax, dyes, and gums are just some. Even everyday products such as toothpaste, cosmetics, tires, paints, and deodorants are produced from plants growing in rainforest areas. Tires, paints, and deodorants are produced from plants growing in rainforest areas. Scientists believe that over 2,100 square kilometers of rainforest are being destroyed each other for economic purposes. Most people would acknowledge the economic importance of the world rainforest. However, there needs to be a balance between the way we are currently using our rainforest and the future availability of these resources.
Rainforests support many important aspects of human life. It creates a balance in our environment and its resources are essential for human survival. It is our duty to preserve it. Things that can be done, such as carrying out sustainable development. For example, conservationists, government, An industry group believes that wood should be harvested from forests in a sustainable way. This must be done without permanently damaging other plant and animal homes, soil or rivers and creeks. This is a very complex task. This involves ensuring tree cut from the forest are replaced with seedling that will become part of the new forest, reducing excessive use of paper, preventing forest fire, and increasing awareness of the importance of the existing of forests for everyone can also be the right step to keep rainforests protected even though they are the source